let me go across to my colleague Shivani. We understand she's reporting from outside Bibhav's house. Shivani, very good morning. Clearly, we're seeing a lot that's happening, but the person in question over here who has been accused of assaulting Swati Maliwal is Bibhav. What do we know about his whereabouts?
We've seen that Vibhav has been in Lucknow yesterday with Arvind Kejriwal and Sanjay Singh, where they were together for the press conference with Akhilesh Yadav, their ally. And today he is scheduled to be in Amritsar. We see that Arvind Kejriwal has already reached Punjab, but there we could not find Vibhav Kumar in these visuals or pictures anywhere. So it's quite probable that he is traveling with Arvind Kejriwal, but he is not coming in the fore because there was a lot of criticism from the opposition parties and the others about his being in close protection with Aam Aadmi Party Sanjay Singh and also Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, even after the FIR was lodged in very serious sections of the IPC, and one of them being 354, which is outraging the modesty of a woman. So he is likely to be arrested wherever he is because there are police teams which are on a lookout for him. And we are at the official residence of Vibhav Kumar here in the Civil Lines area. This happens to be the Chandrawal sewage treatment plant, and here there are official residences of the officials, and Vibhav also has his residence inside, but we are not being allowed inside. The security in charge tells us that the police was here not only yesterday but today morning too. And probably a notice will be served to Vibhav Kumar's family, and then he will be arrested. He has also been summoned by the NCW, the National Commission for Women in Delhi, and at 11 he has to appear at NCW. We have to see whether he will be here in Delhi or not, or he will be in Mumbai or Punjab, where Arvind Kejriwal has been campaigning and going around. So we have to see that Vibhav comes here or he is arrested somewhere else even before he lands in Delhi. But we are tracking closely his movement at his residence, where he is not present right now, but the police is quite closely monitoring his movements.
Right, Shivani. I appreciate you drawing things into context for us, and also legally speaking, the action that has been mentioned against him, but remains to be seen what further action and how this is going to pan out, of course, is going to be seen with time. But